If you're looking for a work from home job that's perfect for beginners, I have a few for you today, as in no experience needed or entry level. And a couple of these jobs will also provide equipment like a computer. And some of these jobs are non-phone based, so enough messing around. Let's get into them. So I'm going to start off with a no experience needed work from home job with First Help Financial. So they're looking for an administrative assistant. This is a full-time remote position. You can do this job anywhere within the United States. They tell us that right down here. Even though they have a location indicated as Needham, Massachusetts, you do not have to live there. This is fully remote anywhere within the USA. So they're going to pay $19.11 per hour plus a bonus, and you're going to be working Monday through Friday from 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Time, and you don't have to live in the Eastern Time Zone, just translate your local hours to those hours, plus they offer your typical suite of benefits. So First Help Financial is an auto finance company, and this role is important to the funding department's efficiency and the company's ability to retrieve and analyze historical information about their loans. And you'll be responsible for calling insurance agents to retrieve insurance binders, so you're going to be doing a whole lot of phone work in this job, so you need to be okay with that. But don't worry, because they're not requiring any related work experience. You'll also draft RISC correction letters and request RISC correction letters to be mailed, monitor faxes and shared insurance inboxes, communicate all updates effectively and in a timely manner with fellow employees, and assist managers with department projects. And all they want is for you to be able to display a history of career stability. You have a high school diploma or a GED. You're comfortable using Excel. You're able to multitask. You're detail-oriented. And you have excellent communication skills. So they're going to pay $19.11 per hour, plus give you a bonus. If you like this job, you can find the direct link in the description area. Just look for job number 1. Okay, so the second job I have is with Webstaurant Store. This is an entry-level position. They're looking for a content coordinator. So you're going to do a whole lot of writing in this position. Basically, you're going to be writing descriptions for the items on the company's website. So if we go to their website, click through on one of the items, scroll down, this is where they have the description for this particular item. So this is what you're going to do in this position. You're going to be writing item descriptions for any items to add to the website. So this is a full-time remote position. You can do this job in what looks to be about 27, maybe up to 28 states within the United States. So hopefully you live in one of these states you see on your screen right now. I'm going to leave this up for another second so you can see if your state is listed. Now, as far as pay, they don't tell us that in this job lead, so I turned to their profile on Glassdoor. And even though I couldn't find the salary for this exact position, I did find some similar roles. It looks like Webstaurant Store has paid content writers, content specialists, content reviewers anywhere from around $30,000 up to $65,000 per year. So you could earn anywhere from $14 to up to $31 per hour, but I'm thinking it'll be closer to around $20 an hour. But there's no way I can guarantee how much you'll make. You'll have to work that out with them. So going back to the job description, I want to scroll down and show you this. They tell us right here you need a valid physical address because they are going to send you computer equipment. So this role focuses on developing engaging written content for the website, and it's a key part of growing the company's business and serving the purchasing needs of food service professionals worldwide. So in other words, you'll write product descriptions using creative and technical writing skills as well as AI tools. You'll gather and input technical details about each product you write and serve as the owner of all products assigned to you, managing them from research to go live. You'll prioritize an ongoing list of projects and several hundred product descriptions per week, work with external vendors and internal stakeholders to ensure information is accurate, communicate with the purchasing, digital content, photo, video design, and SEO departments to complete projects on deadline, edit product descriptions and supportive text throughout the website as requested, work on special projects such as testing new website features and maintaining internal resources, and participate in team meetings and product trainings. They'd like you to have solid written and verbal communication skills. You can follow an extensive e-commerce style guide. You have a basic understanding of website structure and SEO best practices for content. You're comfortable with Microsoft Office Suite with an emphasis on Excel. And of course, you need all the other typical soft skills. You're a critical thinker, an excellent communicator. You can take the initiative. You possess strong attention to detail, and you show commitment to creating the best customer buying experience. So this job has the potential to pay about $20 per hour. If you like this one, you can find the direct link in the description area. Job number 2. Job number 3 is a non-phone work-from-home job with the company Postscript. They're looking for a customer experience advocate to work remotely anywhere within the United States, but they want you to be able to work East Coast hours, and you'll be responding to customers via chat as well as email. And as far as pay, scrolling down here, we see they're going to pay between $26 and $33 per hour plus equity, as well as a decent suite of benefits. So you respond to customer, prospect, and partner needs quickly and effectively via chat and email, develop and maintain expert-level understanding of the Postscript product, along with larger e-commerce and marketing knowledge. You'll be incredibly solutions-oriented and create wow moments, gather customer feedback and share it with the product, sales, and marketing teams, and follow up with customers to ensure their technical issues are resolved as needed. They'd like about 3 years' experience as a customer support specialist or a similar customer success role. And like I always say, if you ever had a job dealing with the public in any capacity, that qualifies as customer service, customer support, even customer success. And like I mentioned earlier, they want you to work East Coast hours. You can demonstrate an understanding of technical products and a technical support process. They'd like you to have SaaS experience, ideally at a startup and or hyper-growth company. You have experience with e-commerce or marketing technology, SMS platforms, or Twilio is a plus. And you have experience using help desk software and remote support tools. You're an excellent communicator. You can multitask, and you have experience in a remote-first role, and you're comfortable using Zoom. So they're going to pay $26 to $33 per hour. If you like this job, you can find the direct link in the description area. Job number 3. All right, a quick message. If you're between jobs, now is the perfect time to learn new skills and stand out from the crowd. I've compiled a list of free resources for you, and you can find the link in the description area, and I encourage you to check it out. On to another no experience needed work from home job, and this one is with Allegiance. They're part of the larger Cigna healthcare company. So they're looking for a pharmacy implementation coordinator. It's a full-time remote position anywhere within the United States, and they're going to pay $17.75 per hour. And I really like this. They tell us right here, no experience necessary. We will train. So not only do you not need experience, they're going to train you. In this job, you'll be responsible for the coordination of the implementation for groups benefits with a current or new pharmacy benefit manager. This includes all support functions necessary to provide accurate information with courteous and timely service to all clients and plan participants. And I just noticed this. They tell us occasional travel may be required, so you need to be okay with that. How much travel you're going to do, I have absolutely no way of knowing. You'll have to confirm that with them. So on a regular basis, you'll coordinate and schedule meetings with vendors, brokers, clients as needed for PBM implementations. You'll assist with reviews and get approvals on ID card approvals from the PBM, assist with submitting EDI tickets timely and accurately, and attend new group meetings to obtain all information available regarding current pharmacy. You'll also maintain meeting notes via OneNote for all new groups and PBM implementations, assist with updating and maintaining internal PBM implementation checklists and spreadsheets, as well as assist with getting documentations for compliance SPD, and you'll obtain clarity on any SPD questions for the compliance department. You'll assist with getting requests SFTP sites as needed and ensure automation is set up with IT for incoming eligibility reports and claims files, assist with supporting internal teams with the information needed for the HCI portal, and maintain and update the PBM contact spreadsheet for the department. You might also answer telephone calls, emails, and faxes from PBMs, plan sponsors, plan participants, providers, and internal departments pertaining to pharmacy benefits, claims inquiries, eligibility, and programming, while providing prompt, clear, and accurate responses to requests for information. So I noticed there were quite a few acronyms in this job description. It looks like PBM stands for Pharmacy Benefit Manager, but I have no idea what HCI stands for, SFTP, EDI. I really don't know what those acronyms are for, but if you're at all interested in this position, you probably do. So they'd like you to be a high school graduate or you have a GED, college degree, and or training in medical terminology is preferred. And if you want to brush up on your medical terminology, check out the link in the description area to free resources where you can do that. They'd like you to have experience with software applications, and work experience with group health benefits or in the health insurance industry is preferred, and that's just preferred, that's not required. And then they require all your typical soft skills. You're an excellent communicator, you're comfortable using computers, you know basic math, you're organized, you're flexible, and you have a working knowledge of general office procedures. And again, they'd like you to have knowledge of medical terminology and basic health insurance information. So if you like this job, they're going to train you. You don't need any experience, and they're going to pay $17.75 per hour. You can find the direct link for this one in the description area. Just look for job number 4. Our fifth and final job comes to us from Patriot Software. They have an opening for an accounting support representative level 2. So this is a full-time remote position. You can do this job anywhere within the United States. And your core working hours will be 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. And they tell us down here they offer flexible scheduling and opportunities for advancement. So if those hours don't work out for you, talk to them. See if you can get other hours. They're going to pay $20 to $22.50 per hour and offer a pretty nice suite of benefits, including up-to-date hardware and equipment. So this is your typical customer support position. About 95% of your time will be spent with customers delivering exceptional customer service experiences. You do some problem solving, assisting customers with software support regarding accounting, payroll, and tax-related software inquiries, act as a liaison between customers and internal teams to provide valuable insight for product development and enhancements. So you'll be handling sensitive customer information, so you need to follow the company's data protection protocols. You'll maintain strong attention to detail and ensure accurate and timely documentation of customer interactions, and offer guidance and support to customers regarding new product features and software functionality. They'd like you to have an associate's degree and/or equivalent experience in accounting, bookkeeping, finance, or math, and at least 1 year of experience in a high-volume customer support or call center setting. You have exceptional customer service skills, you're self-motivated, you're proficient with technology, and you must have the ability to handle sensitive customer information securely and adhere to the company's data protection protocols. You also have strong attention to detail, you can manage multiple tasks simultaneously, and you have consistent, reliable, high-speed internet access and a dedicated, quiet workspace free from distractions. So if you have some accounting experience, check out this job lead. You can find the direct link in the description area, job number 5. Alrighty, we just went over 5 really good work-from-home jobs. Some don't require experience, some are non-phone, some provide equipment. Hopefully one of these jobs works out for you. And if you're looking for some high-paying work-from-home jobs, check out this video right here. Good luck to all of you who apply, and as always, thank you so much for visiting, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.